Hey everyone, this is part 3, the Prediction Trades API for tracking all buy and sell activity on prediction markets. This API shows who's trading, what outcomes they're buying or selling, trade amounts in USDC, and real-time prices. Let's see 4 powerful queries. First, let's stream trades for one specific market. Filter by market ID to track one prediction market. You get every trade instantly, buyer and seller addresses, trade amounts, which outcome they're trading, yes or no, and the price. The I's outcome by field tells you if they're buying or selling the outcome. Now let's track all trades from a specific wallet address. Using the any operator, we catch trades where the address is either buyer or R, seller. You see their complete trading history, which markets they're active in, what outcomes they favor, trade sizes, and timestamps. Great for whale tracking or analyzing your own trading patterns. Let's calculate total volume split by yes and no outcomes. This aggregates volume in USD for each outcome. You see total market volume plus how much traded on yes versus no, essential for understanding market sentiment and liquidity distribution across outcomes. Finally, get the latest price for each outcome. Using limit buy, we get one trade per outcome, the most recent one. This shows current market prices for yes and no outcomes in both the native token and USD. Perfect for building live price dashboards or calculating implied probabilities. You can create many more customized queries. Filter by time ranges, aggregate by trader, track specific order IDs, or build complex analytics combining multiple filters. Next video will cover prediction settlements for tracking splits, merges, and redemptions. All queries in the description. Drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what markets you're tracking.